So, how much does a new roof cost? This is almost always the first question we get, and it makes total sense. Hey, I'm French, and I'm a field manager with Van Martin Roofing. A new roof is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your home, so you deserve a straight answer about what it's going to cost. Here's the truth. It depends. Not because we're avoiding the question, but because no two homes are exactly the same. The cost of your roof is based on a few key factors. The first key factor is the size of your roof, measured in square feet of roof surface, not floor space. The larger the roof, the more materials and labors that are required. The second key factor is the steepness or pitch. A steep roof is harder and slower to work on, requiring extra safety equipment and time. The third key factor is the roofing material you choose. Let's break that part down with real numbers. 1. Asphalt shingles, like our premium Tango Titan XT system, typically range between $6 and $10 per square foot installed, depending on your roof size, layout, and ventilation needs. 2. Metal roofing system can range between $15 and $20 per square foot installed, depending on the panel type or metal shingle you choose. Metal roofs cost more upfront, but can last twice as long and add measurable resale value to your home. Number 3. The condition of your existing decking. That's the wood layer underneath your shingles. If it's rotted or soft, it needs to be replaced for your new roof to be safe and long-lasting. That extra repair adds both time and material costs to the job, but it's a crucial step to ensure your investment lasts. So, what does that mean for the total? Most homeowners in Cincinnati, Dayton, or Columbus can expect to spend an average between $12,000 and $24,000 for a full roof replacement using a premium asphalt system. Larger or steeper homes, or those opting for metal, can be higher. Here's how we like to explain it. Think of it like buying a car. If you buy one just because it's cheap, you'll probably spend more money later fixing it. But if you invest in a reliable model, you get years of peace of mind and lower maintenance costs in the long run. Roofing works the same way. At Van Martin, we start every project with a full inspection so you know exactly what your roof needs. No assumptions, no upsells. Then we give you a written estimate that explains everything in plain language: materials, labor, warranty, and a timeline. Want to know what your roof will really cost? Click the link in our bio to schedule a free, no-pressure estimate and get a personalized quote for your home.